Okay, as you can see, I've been unpacking. Here seems to be the light, and this is probably the controller that is going to go up inside the ceiling fan, or at least part of it will. Has a pretty nice remote here. I'm just getting everything unpacked at this moment, and then I will start putting things together. Just different components here, and so just going along here. Part of the canopy. I believe that's what they call this part. And let's see, according to this, yep, B is considered the canopy. This is mounting bracket. This is the light pan right here. It's got the reflective. This is LED. So going through, getting all the components out, and we have not gotten to, I guess this piece here is not a controller, it's called a receiver. So we've not gotten, already unpacked the blades, and I have not gotten to the motor yet. So just bear with me. This video is going to be in pieces, but I'm going to see if there's a way I can figure out how to thread it all together. All different. It's kind of hard when you're doing this by yourself to be able to kind of do this all in one video. So as of right now, like I said, I'm getting to the actual fan motor itself, and okay, this does have the shade. This is the shade right here. And you'll see this all up once I get it together and installed. I will show it to you that it worked, you know, in working mode. My internet's been a little touchy at times, so I do not know if I can be able to demonstrate as far as from my smartphone. I do not have an Alexa or anything like that. And so, more than likely, I'll be using the remote control or my smartphone. But, like I said, right now, my internet's a little sketchy at times. I've been having problems with it, so you'll probably just see it being controlled by the remote control.